In today's video, we'll show you how to install two separate cable runs meeting at a corner post using HAAS Stainless standard swage stops and straight post protectors. The first step in the installation will require us to drill 3/8 inch diameter holes at each of the hole measurement marks that you previously marked using your marking template on all four sides of the post. In order to receive the best results, we recommend using a 3/8 inch spade bit to drill your holes, since they tend to drill fairly straight and clean holes. Set the drill at its highest speed and begin drilling a little more than halfway into the post, ensuring that you partially back out the drill bit to clear any wood chips. Switch to the opposite side of the post and begin drilling until the two holes meet, making one clean hole through the post. Repeat this process for the other side and continue drilling the remaining holes in your post. With all of your holes now drilled, slide a straight wood post protector onto the end of each cable run so that their faces are pointing in the opposite direction of the post. Next, insert each cable into the holes on each side of the post so that the cables crisscross one another and protrude from the back side of the post. Now that your cables have been inserted through the post, insert one of the cable ends into the swage cavity of a standard swage stop until it cannot be pushed in any further. Open the jaws of your HAAS stainless hand swager and place a swage stop into the jaws of the swager that correspond with the size of your swage stop. Position the stop so that the jaws are correctly seated at the swage area mark on the stop and looks as shown. Now completely close the handles of the swager and make your first swage. Once complete, open the swager jaws, rotate the stop 90 degrees, and then make your second and final swage on the stop. With your stop now swaged onto the cable, pull any slack out of the cable in your run and fit the swage stops into the holes on the back side of your post so that they look as shown. Repeat the same process for all remaining cable runs at the post, and then tension all of the runs with whichever tensioning fitting is installed at the opposite end of the run. Lastly, slide the straight wood post protectors into place. Once complete, your corner post should look as shown.